Question 1. Name of the first person to get Paramveer Chakra. Your options are A. Major Somnath Sharma, B. Major Shaitan Singh, C. Major Rajendra Singh, D. Major Suresh Ranawat. Your answer is A. Major Somnath Sharma. Question 2. First Indian to go into space. Your options are A. SQN LDR Rakesh Sharma, B. RN Shukla, C. VR Gill, D. DB Mahavar. Your answer is A. SQN LDR Rakesh Sharma. Question 3. India's first woman president. Your option are A. SMT Pratibha Patil, B. Sushma Swaraj, C. Indira Gandhi, D. Sarojini Naidu. Your answer is A. SMT Pratibha Patil. Question 4. Name of first woman governor of India. Your option are A. Sarojini Naidu, B. Sushma Swaraj, C. Indira Gandhi, D. Sarojini Naidu. Your answer is A. Sarojini Naidu. Question 5. Name of the first Indian woman ruler. Your options are A. Razia Sultan on Delhi's throne, B. Saira Begum, C. Mumtaz Begum, D. Lakshmi Bai. Your answer is A. Razia Sultan on Delhi's throne. Question 6. Name of the first woman musician of India to get Bharat Ratna. Your option are A. M.S. Subbulakshmi, B. Tansen, C. S.D. Burman, D. R.D. Burman. Your answer is A. M.S. Subbulakshmi. Question 7. Name of the first woman of India to win WTA title. Your options are A. Sania Mirza, B. P.T. Usha, C. Ragini Singh, D. Sindhu. Your answer is A. Sania Mirza. Question 8. Name of the first Indian woman to get Nobel Prize. Your option are A. Mother Teresa in 1979, B. Sushma Swaraj, C. Indira Gandhi, D. Sarojini Naidu. Your answer is A. Mother Teresa in 1979. Question 9. Name of the first woman judge of Supreme Court of India. Your options are A. Meera Sahib Fatima Bibi, B. Sushma Swaraj, C. Indira Gandhi, D. Sarojini Naidu. Your answer is A. Meera Sahib Fatima Bibi. Question 10. Name of first woman of India to get Ashok Chakra. Your options are A. Mirza Mishra, B. Sushma Swaraj, C. Indira Gandhi, D. Sarojini Naidu. Your answer is A. Mirza Mishra. Question 11. Name of first woman of India to climb the Mount Everest. Your options are A. Bachendri Pal, B. Sushma Swaraj, C. Indira Gandhi, D. Sarojini Naidu. Your answer is A. Bachendri Pal. Question 12. Name of the first woman of India to win Miss Universe title. Your options are A. Sushmita Sen, B. Shri Devi, C. Aishwarya Rai, D. Kajol. Your answer is A. Sushmita Sen. Question 13. Name of India's first woman IPS officer. Your options are A. Kiran Bedi, B. Rekha Mudgal, C. Kiran Kher, D. Indira Devi. Your answer is A. Kiran Bedi. Question 14. Name of first woman of India to get Gyanpith Award. Your options are A. Ashapurna Devi, B. Mansa Mata, C. Shitla Devi, D. Gauri Mata. Your answer is A. Ashapurna Devi. Question 15. Who was first Indian Reserve Bank governor? Your options are A. C. D. Deshmukh, B. R. N. Shukla, C. V. R. Gill, D. D. B. Mahavar. Your answer is A. C. D. Deshmukh. Question 16. Who was the first person to climb Mount Everest? Your options are A. Sherpa Tenzing Norgay and Sir Edmund Hillary on 29 May 1953, B. R. N. Shukla, C. V. R. Gill, D. D. B. Mahavar. Your answer is A. Sherpa Tenzing Norgay and Sir Edmund Hillary on 29 May 1953. Question 17. How many articles were there originally in Constitution of India? Your options are A. 395, B. 397, C. 403, D. 410. Your answer is A. 395.